What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're working on a pro mod, dragster. Um, Hemi, obviously, Takuda, body, full fiber, like carbon fiber, whatever. So it's not actually original at all. As you guys know, if you guys understand what pro mod is or what drag race. Anyway, let's just get to the point. We've had these graphics on here. We redid these ones on the door last year. Made them. We didn't install them. As you can tell, there's a bunch of like wrinkles and stuff. But they now repainted the back half of the car, so we need to continue the stripe where I've laid out my orange line, orange tape. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knifeless tape and go all the way around there on the inside of this line to match up to the doors. And then we'll use the knifeless tape to cut the vinyl. So there's no knife going onto the car, and we can get it perfectly lined up how we want it very easily. This did not take me long to lay it out. So we're going to go ahead, lay out the knifeless tape, throw on the wrap, which is matte black Avery Dennison that we're using on this one, and then we will use some knifeless tape to show you guys how that works. If you guys don't know how it works, if you do, great. Just gonna cut this a little shorter, and then we can use our knifeless tape here. Snap that, pull. Okay, so that's the end of my knifeless. There. Take this. this piece of Knifeless. And we can do this one from this side.
How's going for a walk?
Good, good.
Good.
This side's almost done.
Oh, good, good. Whatever your pipe test, I have 2 saws I need. Whenever you're ready, son. Be good for you.
All right, that's it. They didn't wrap the door when they did it, so that's why you can see that. But I did actually go and fully wrap inside there. Should have been done there. That's what happens when people DIY stuff. But there we go. That side is done. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.